Hello, I'm Hunter with Mills, Ford & Baxter, and today we're going over a few questions that we get asked quite a bit about these Mach-E's here. What is the range on a Mach-E? So a standard range will do about 290 miles. An extended range like this one will do anywhere from 290 to 310. Do you get a tax credit with the Mach-E? You used to, but now they technically don't do it anymore. You can get one on the Ford Lightning, but they are no longer available with the Mach-E's. Is the Mustang affordable? So the Mustang is super affordable. You don't have to pay for any maintenance. If you get a new one, you will get $210 in Ford Pass points. So, with these, they don't do any oil changes. The only thing you have to pay for is charging. If you get set up with the home charger, that's the most affordable way how to own one of these vehicles, or lease. That works out too. And you only have to do tire rotation. So if you get that $210, it'll cover you for at least a year or two, depending on your driving habits. Where can you buy it? You can get one right here at Mills, Ford & Baxter. We have a great selection of these, standard ranges and extended, so come get one now.